Welcome to the NEWSTART kitchen. My name's Margaret Gallant, and today we're going to make Bailey balls. So these are named after my youngest daughter, Bailey. She adjusted some different recipes that she's enjoyed, and she created this recipe. And I have people all over that ask her to make these Bailey balls. One story is we have a friend down in Bolivia, and every time she comes up to the States, she's actually a missionary down there. Every time she comes to the States, she calls Bailey and says, please, can you make me Bailey balls? So this is a really nice dessert type thing that's healthy and you don't have to feel guilty about. So let's get going and make them, and they're really easy, and I just want you to enjoy this recipe. So I'll go through all the ingredients and then we'll put it all together. So we have 1 cup of oats. We have a 1/2 cup of carob chips, but you can use raisins or craisins if you choose. I have a 1/2 cup of ground flax seed. I have a 1/2 cup of peanut butter, and I have a 1/2 cup of any nuts of your choice, and today we're going to use walnuts. And we have 1/3 cup of honey, and then I'm going to use a 1/4 teaspoon of salt. So what we're going to do is put the oats in the bowl, and we're going to put the flaxseed, and we're going to put the nuts. And all those we're just going to mix up a little bit. And I'm going to then add the salt at this time too, so we can get that mixed in well. All right. Once this is all mixed up, we're going to put the liquids in. And I'm going to start with the peanut butter. Get that in. And I'm using an all-natural peanut butter that we like to use in our house. And then I'm going to put the honey in. All right. I'm going to wait and put the carob chips in after I've mixed in the peanut butter and the honey. All right, let's get mixing here. So we're gonna mix this all up. So what's good about this? You have a lot of flaxseed, and you've got walnuts, and you've got oats, and those are all great things for you. Plus, you know, everything in it is good, and you don't have to feel guilty, and you can enjoy your little treat. So let's keep mixing it. Takes a few minutes to get it to incorporate. Okay, and there's no cooking. This is you're going to eat this all raw, and so they're easy to make. So what we do is we make them into balls, and then we put them in a container and put them in the refrigerator, and we can grab from them after our meals are over. So I just put the carob chips in. And I'm going to mix it all up. Okay. Once it's well mixed, it should look like this. And now you're going to take a scoop, because I like them all to be pretty consistent. And you're going to scoop out some, and you're going to make them into a ball. You're going to place it here. And you keep doing this till we're all done. And then I place them in an airtight container in the refrigerator. You can eat them right now, right after you make them, or you can let them set in the refrigerator for a few hours before. But you will love these. It's just the right amount of sweet for a little after meal snack, and something, like I said, you don't have to feel guilty about. So I hope you enjoy these Bailey balls.